I learned that I can earn even while I'm traveling or at home, not having two jobs in 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 um to provide for my family. So I also realized that with this business I can prepare for my future. You know, my life changed a lot and I'm loving what I'm doing now. Think I want to scale my online business. So it will fully support my family and also my brother with special needs. And you know, my daughter is still in the university. So yon. And also my dreams, of course, don't forget yourself, how you will help others if your cup is empty, right? So, yon. And you know, sa mga post ko, I always travel. And while I can still walk and I can still run sa mga terminal sa mga metro, I want to travel more. You know, may pan-travel ka na pero hindi na kaya ng katawan mo. So, wala din. So, habang kaya ko pa, I want to travel more, work with my digital business from anywhere. You know, I can bring it anywhere and also enjoy my retirement years filled with, you know, freedom, adventure, and joy.